What's the meaning of adhesive? Adhesive. 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 Adhesive refers to a substance that is used to join or stick two surfaces together. It can be in the form of a glue, tape, or cement, and is typically applied to one or both surfaces prior to pressing them together. The result of using an adhesive is a strong and durable bond between the two surfaces, which can last for a long time. Adhesives are commonly used in various industries such as construction, manufacturing, and packaging, and they come in different types depending on the materials to be joined in the application. Requirements. Overall, adhesives are essential tools for creating sturdy and reliable connections between different objects or materials.